Insulin resistance, what it is, its causes, and how to improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes and plays a significant role in managing the condition. What is insulin resistance? Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that allows cells in the body to absorb glucose from the bloodstream and use it for energy. Some causes of insulin resistance. 1. Excess body weight, obesity, especially abdominal obesity, is strongly linked to insulin resistance. 2. Lack of physical activity, a sedentary lifestyle contributes to insulin resistance. 3. Poor diet, consuming excessive amounts of refined carbohydrates, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to insulin resistance. 4. Chronic stress, prolonged stress can affect hormone levels, including cortisol, which can interfere with insulin's effectiveness. Apart from these, genetics and age also play a crucial factor in insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when cells in the muscles, fat, and liver start resisting or ignoring the signal that insulin sends out, which is to take in glucose from the blood. As a result, the body needs more insulin to help glucose enter cells. Over time, this can lead to higher blood sugar levels and, eventually, type 2 diabetes. Causes of insulin resistance. 1. Genetics, family history and genetic factors can play a role in the development of insulin resistance. 2. Obesity, excess fat, particularly around the abdomen, is a major risk factor for insulin resistance. Fat cells, especially visceral fat, release chemicals that can disrupt the function of insulin. 3. Physical inactivity, lack of exercise contributes to obesity and insulin resistance. Regular physical activity helps cells respond better to insulin. 4. Diet, a diet high in refined carbs, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance. 5. Hormonal imbalances, conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can contribute to insulin resistance. 6. Chronic stress, stress hormones, such as cortisol, can interfere with insulin function. 7. Sleep disorders, poor sleep quality or sleep disorders like sleep apnea can worsen insulin resistance. How to improve insulin sensitivity? 1. Healthy diet, eat a balanced diet, focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reduce sugar and refined carbs. Limit intake of sugary foods and drinks, white bread, and pastries. Increase fiber intake. Foods high in fiber, like beans, oats, and vegetables, help regulate blood sugar. Healthy fats include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. 2. Regular physical activity. Aerobic exercise, activities like walking, running, cycling, and swimming improve insulin sensitivity. Strength training, building muscle through weightlifting or resistance exercises can help your body use insulin more effectively. Consistency, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. 3. Weight management, lose excess weight. Even a modest weight loss can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. Healthy lifestyle changes, focus on sustainable changes rather than quick fixes. 4. Manage stress, relaxation techniques, practices like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can reduce stress and improve insulin function. Adequate rest, ensure you get enough sleep and maintain a regular sleep schedule. 5. Adequate sleep, prioritize sleep, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. By making lifestyle changes such as eating a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and prioritizing sleep, you can enhance your insulin sensitivity. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options. Stay proactive, stay informed, and take control of your health.